Nikhil Show! And we would like to say hello to the future admin who are in the fourth admin who are in the fourth Student Advertising Congress sa Rockwell Tent today. I've always wanted to be part of the advertising world. I don't know if you guys remember, pero nakwento ko na ata yun. When I was younger, I was like mga 13, 14, ginagawa ko ng mga commercial yung pinsan ko. Pinsan akong pinsan na nauuto namin ng sister ko. Siyempre, dalaga na siya ngayon. Pero ginagawa namin siya ng mga commercial, ginagawa namin siya ng mga teleserye. You know what? One of these days, I will show you something, a little bit of, what do you call this, exhibition of my work of art. In the meantime, here's Kiss Jane at number 8 with Lagi.